Hello, Elroots here, and I think I fixed the problem where it was only in one corner. I think I did. Anyways, hello, Elroots here, and today we are going to be doing some dressage with Wish Brother because he does not know dressage that much. So yes, I'm just going to pull up quickly the photo of our plan, get out of this cross-country folder, and go to dressage. Got a few pictures in here, only 3 though. So yes, this is basically the plan, and if you don't know how color codes work, I'm going to go to my documents. And this will I'm just going to read these to you so that you know what all the things are, so that you're not like, what does that mean? So these might not be the traditional way it is, but this is what I know. And then I made the rest up. So I know that walk is lime green, trot is dark blue, and canter is light red. I know those 3. So walk lime green, trot dark blue, canter light red, halt light yellow, rear light purple, pee off darkish pink only on Lusitanos, triple curl sky blue, B orange, and B is a trot circle, and then a canter circle. And any player moves, so like bow, wave, point, that stuff, gestures, stuff like that, is dark red. Comb, brown. Crocomb, black. Beer, which I'm not going to be doing this, I don't think, is gray. Belt is forest green. So yes, now we're going to pull this up, and I have to edit this because this looks like it's green, but it's supposed to be blue because, actually, wait a minute. Wait, I'm sorry. I actually forget. Brown is comb. Right, okay. Okay, sorry, I paused it by mistake. So yes, just follow my arrow. So yes, there's a few places here that I think he's gonna have a bit of trouble. The first part is a bit easier, but then there's like the rear here that I think he's gonna have a bit of trouble with doing it controlled. And then the comb is pretty simple. And then see, that's all I have written down, but let's say we have more time, then I'm just gonna do a bit more, add a bit more, like maybe canter and form a circle and do a few circles and then come to the middle, maybe the other way, and then rear and then bow and leave. So yeah, let's just say. So see you at the barn. Hello, Elroots here, and today, as you probably already know, we're going to be doing dressage with Wish Brother. I don't know how he's going to do, but he's really a really nice mover. He's got the same slow gallop as the Canamera, so I just really love him. And yeah, I took him on a little trail ride a little earlier, but it is quite early here. And you'll see that when we go outside. But basically, first of all, I need to put on my helmet because you never want to forget your helmet. And then we're just gonna kind of do a little, very small, short groom off session with Wish Brother. We're not gonna wash him off because I don't want him to get wet and cold while we're riding. And yes, I don't want that to happen, so hopefully this will work. Hopefully, what will work? Come on, Ella. Anyways, yeah, so first of all, we've got this, sorry, wrong saddle. Let me fix this quick. Dang it. I'm sorry. Okay, yeah, I just had my tack mixed up. Yes, okay. So now we are going to put on, first of all, this very nice blue saddle pad I found at the mall. And then this night riding saddle I also found at the mall. And then for his feet, because we need to make sure his feet are nice and protected, because we never know, he could knock his legs on something, and we've got these boots which are from the Lifetime store, and they were really nice. I got them for free since I do all this work with horses. And then I've got this bridle which I love on him. I've had it since I was a non-star rider. So yeah, it's been quite a bit, but I'll see you guys at the arena. Hello guys, one sec. Be right back. Ouch. Okay, sorry, back. Anyways, the ride here was only about 10 minutes, so I left his tack on, which is why I tacked up there. So if you have that question, first of all, I just want to take a quick picture because I just love Dresage tack, the look on Wish Brothers, and then we're gonna mount up and get right at it. And I did fix my camera so I can see the time, which is just great, and I really hope the problem is fixed. So I actually have a little map here that I drew up so that I would remember the Dresage. So we have to walk to H and then trot to E and cut all the way and then halt at B, canter to diagonal, do a B, I think that was? Yeah, I think, and then do a B, and then trot down, do a bit of a cut there, and then trot to K, which is not actually a number, I messed up there, and then walk up from K all the way up to A, then cut to the middle, halt, rear, trot, do a comb, then do a belt, and trot, and then at mid, we're going to canter all the way up along to the door, and then up to the corner, and then to A, and cut it the middle, and halt, and bow. And then if we have any more time, we'll do some more stuff. So here goes. I have to fix that and figure out what letter it actually is. So I made it only a very short space of walking because I did not want Wish Brother to get antsy, because that would be a very bad way to start our lesson. And by the way, I just want to say, for the first time of him doing dressage, or technically second, but whatever, he did so nicely. I was so happy, and I didn't want to excite him right now, but at the end I was very happy with him. So, and he halted here just so nicely. He didn't do exactly the halt that they would want to see at a Grand Prix dressage show, but for his first lesson, I was very happy and proud. So I think that it was definitely a good decision that I brought carrots, and I think you guys know what that means. Oof, my thing's glitching. Anyways, okay, it's fixed. Okay. So then we had to canter here, and he did kind of go ahead and refuse and just trotted a bit, but I was very forward, and then he did it, and I was just so happy that we fixed that problem, because if we were in the show ring, I do not want that to be a problem, and he just did that B set so nicely. He did not even flinch when I told him to slow down to a trot again. And of course, the good thing about going to the arena early, because we need to come here early, because yeah, it's just the way it works. And if we don't, oh yeah, there is a K, sorry, my bad. But yeah, if we come here later, especially at night, it will be packed, and I don't want him to spook and hurt another horse in here. And yeah, so I think that we're only gonna have enough time to do the warm up I have. And just again, I'm sorry I keep saying it, but he's just doing so well. He didn't even get antsy when I told him he had to do that long walking. And I was very happy when we got here because there was no other people. And then he did the halt perfectly. And here's where we had a bit of issues. So I told him to back up and then I kind of gave him a little bit of spring. But he only backed up and then he started galloping forward. But it wasn't nearly as bad because I thought he was going to buck and throw me off, and he only slow galloped. But it was still something to work on, and so I just kind of said, you know what, I'm going to just say today we're not going to try the rears because I think that was kind of a fault on my part, because you should not be teaching a new horse like him to already be doing advanced stuff like rearing and OB. I didn't put any OB in here, but still, I made him rear, and I think that was a huge fault. So that was not his fault, and I'm just letting you guys know that. So then we continued with the trot, and we trotted, and then a little bit further than B, we did this comb, and he did that beautifully. And he turned a lot of horses that I train. They turn, and by mistake, they turn, but then by mistake, they'll turn really wide. And he just did not do that at all, and he sped up to the canter very beautifully. I was just overwhelmed with how happy and proud I was of him, because as I said, it's his first time doing dressage, and it looks like we have enough time to do the entire warm-up. Not more than the warm-up, but I'm just really proud of him, and it makes me very happy that he made so little mistakes. He did have a bit of refusal on the rear, but once again, as I said, that was totally my fault. And then I bowed, and he did not even worry when I tugged the reins a bit, which was so heartwarming. And then I kind of just let him gallop around a few circles. And then I called for pickup, and I gave him a treat. Actually, no, sorry, I was remembering this wrong. But I was trying to let him get a little bit of energy out because he likes to run, since he is very good at dressage. So he's used to going full blast. Yeah, sure.
Okay, your omelet's coming. Do you want cheese on top of it?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was just so happy again, and I'm sure we're going to have many more videos with him. So we have, so far, he's almost mastered the dressage and jumping world, the English world, I should say. And then I decided to take a picture as a cute memory just while we had a bit of time. So I went into camera mode, and one was with me on him, and then the other one was with me off of him, standing on the ground. And he actually was really like, oh no, I hope we can actually feed him carrots. And honestly, I did so much with him that I don't even remember if I could or not. So yes, I tried to give him the carrot, but it did tell me that it did not work. So yeah, I did call for pickup, and then we went home, and I got him cooled off and gave him a treat. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was really fun to make. I really enjoyed making this video, especially spending little bit of time with my beloved starter horse, who just does so much for me. He carried me around for 3 months when I was, not 3 months, more than that, when I was non-star rider. And I hope I'll see you guys next time for other role plays. Bye! Goodbye! And I'm sorry, but I did not catch giving the carrot on camera. It cut off. So bye. Bye.